show you how my PageRank project for the uncertainty module of the CS50 AI course is working. So as you can see, I'm on my terminal and I'm in the projects directory. So I'm gonna go ahead and run it first with the corpus number 0. As you can see, we can compare the results from the sampling and the iteration formula, and we can see that the results are pretty much the same. I mean, they're very similar. Now we're gonna try with the corpus 1. As you can see, the results are as similar as you would expect. For the BFS, we got 0.1162 using the sampling technique, and with the iteration technique, we got 0.1151. And with the rest of the files, you can see it's pretty much very close to each other, and they all sum up to 1. So we can check that the probability distribution is correct. And finally, we're going to test with the corpus 2. And we can see that the results obtained are similar. A little bit, like there's a bigger difference between each probability, but that may be because there are a lot more pages and the formula changes in the iteration. So that's it. Thank you very much.